I've gotta say the number one question that I get is a lot of people want to know what's the easiest and the fastest way to actually make the most money online, and 100 times my answer is to create and sell your own products. Honestly, that's the easiest way to do it, because as a product creator, you create the product and then you promote it on a limited basis. Most of the time, it's affiliates doing all the hard heavy lifting, bringing you in all the sales while you are splitting the commissions with them. With this strategy though, it's just easy to make all the sales yourself, and when you do, you don't have to split any of the money between yourself and someone else, and you get to keep 100% of the profit, and you can charge whatever you want. Whenever I tell people that, the number one barrier and the big response that I get is usually how to create my own products. And the good news is you don't have to know how to create your own products, because there are tons of different resources out there where you can go out and just get one that's already done for you. One that already comes with a sales page and a sales video, and all the work right there is done. All you have to do is upload the sales page to your server, create a download page for the product, upload it to your hosting account, and let people access it after they pay with PayPal or Stripe, or you can use something like JVZoo to do all the payment processing and tracking and things like that. That is the easiest way to do it, and with the authority posting content and ranking these authority sites couldn't be easier. If we take that example from the dictation video, how to cure acne scars naturally, let's have a look at it. And right off the bat, we can see a YouTube video ranking, means we could possibly overtake this YouTube video ranking and get your videos there that we can promote our product. What I would do is I would set up the authority sites. I would make some videos, different things like that, giving out free valuable tips, and then I would be leading people to click a link that would take them to my own sales page. So that way, if they buy the product from there, and you get to keep all the money. And if you wanted to just dominate how to cure scars naturally in that market, you can also go with how to cure scars from surgery naturally. And you could just overtake this kind of market, get tons of first page rankings from all of the content pointing links directly to your sales page. Then when people buy, you're gonna be making a lot more money. Even better, if you set up your email list, they have to opt in your email list before they can download the product. Now you're building a buyer's list that you can promote affiliate offers to. This is my favorite way of doing it, and this is as far as building a sustainable business that you can live off. This has to be my favorite way in there. Honestly, there are so many opportunities here if you just want to target the long tail keyword and only rank for them. There is still traffic coming in for those people that are searching for those things. If you can pull the traffic to your content, impress them with your knowledge, give them something they can walk away with, and use that day, then you're going to impress them enough to click your link, read your sales page, and buy your product. So if you are all in this online marketing business for a long haul, this is something I recommend you start doing today. If you're serious about this and you want to stick around for the next 10 to 15 years of your internet marketing career, this is what you have to be doing. There's plenty of places you can go to get PLR products. The one that I like is resellrightsweekly.com. You pay $19 a month and you get access to tons and tons and tons of PLR products in all kind of niches. You will never run out of products that you can use as your own and sell for 100% of profits. If monthly option is not your thing, maybe you just want to start out with a product and work your way from there, then just Google PLR products. There are tons of sites right here that you can pick from that. You'll be able to find a product that is in your market that you can sell as your own. Just get out there and start doing this today. It's very simple and it's not hard to upload your own sales page or anything like that. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that can show you how to upload pages to WordPress sites or through cPanel on your hosting. There's nothing stopping you from doing this. You now have the traffic source that you can get the consistent, steady traffic on a daily basis. And if you need more traffic, you just set up more pieces of content on these sites, on these authority sites, and get them ranked, and you have the product. The only two things you need to be successful in this business are targeted traffic and something to sell. Targeted traffic with a buying intent keywords. If you have those two things, you will never be broke.